opening the door to embrace the community of familyness, to give brightness and hope from darkness and pain, and empower the future generation. Manila Youth Town, integrating the senses into architecture by providing a home with natural settings of indoor and outdoor activities, and space that allows the sensory stimulation and encounters with the environment is very important in nurturing the well-being and healthy upbringing of children. The Administration Building, welcoming the guest and providing enough space for workstations with basic comfort and convenience, exposed with natural settings. The Multi-Purpose Hall, allowing the users to have social interactions while playing sports and enjoying games. The halls can also be expanded to accommodate more entertainment and excitement. The School, a place for learning, exploring, and nurturing the children to be educated and develop their talents and skills. It will also help them to be equipped and capable in the future. The Boys and the Girls Home, a place of comfort and experience a family-like atmosphere with the other users. A home where users could find convenience, relaxing moments, and interact with others. The Foundling, a home designated for the children to experience home as a family with efficient space for the everyday necessities. The Sports Amenities, to further help the development of the private users, taking time off from studying and relaxing and mingling by enjoying the pool area, basketball court, soccer field, and track and field. Open space. All structures are provided with an open space visible with nature and environment. It is a place with refreshing view in the middle that allows natural light and maximizes ventilation to create a healthier and more comfortable living space. The Landmark, a place where one could find peace and balance amidst a busy day with a landscape featuring Father Flanagan, the founding father of Boystown, which is also known as the Youth Town. So let us all be part and open our hearts for nurturing the environment that all children need. Be the beacon of hope that the future generations await. So let us all be part and open our hearts for nurturing the environment that all children need. Be the beacon of hope that the future generation awaits. Manila Youth Town, a home of hope